Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to connect your Hostinger email to Gmail. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to emails. And next to your domain name, click on mailboxes. This way, you will see the available mailboxes or email addresses added to your website or you own on your account, email account. Now jump to gmail.com. I will open it in a new tab. Then go to settings and click on see all settings. Go to accounts and import, and next to send mail as, you will see your default Gmail account and you can add another email address. In this case, I've already added this ben@dotcom.builders, but in this video, I will add this backup address. So copy it like that to avoid any copying mistakes. Go back to Gmail, click on add another email address. A new window pops up. Here, fill in your name. It can be anything that the person you contact can see. Here, fill in your email address. Click on paste. Now click on next step. Here you need to send email, or you need to get your SMTP configuration details from Hostinger. I will open this here. Open it like that to be easy to jump between windows. Now, how to get those SMTP configuration details? Just to go back to mailboxes, and here, yes, click on from the mailboxes page, click on connect apps and devices. And this is your SMTP host name. Copy it like that, paste it here. For the port is 465. Select it from this list. The username is the email address you are trying to add. In my case, it's backup@benstutorial.com. To make sure that it is the same one, I will copy it, go back to mailboxes and search for it. As you see, it is the exact same one. Go back to this configuration details page. Now for the password, it's the password you've created while creating this email address. If you don't remember it, simply click on those three dots and click on change password. A new window pops up. Fill in a new password, click on update, then fill in your password here. In my case, I remember it, so I will enter it. Here, it is better to go with the SSL security, which is also recommended here. For the SSL, it is check. Now click on add account. Congratulations, we successfully located your other server and verified your credentials. Just one more step. Here, an email with a confirmation link was sent to your Hostinger email. If you don't see it in your inbox, you can click on this recent email link. To add your email address to Gmail, click on the link in the confirmation email. So here I will go back to the mailboxes page, and next to my email address that I want to add to Gmail, I will click on webmail. In order to jump to this page, you can either click on webmail or go directly to mail.hostinger.com. Fill in your email address here and password and hit login. This is the confirmation email from Gmail. Click open the message, and this is the link. Click on it. As you see, you have requested to add your Hostinger email address to your Gmail account. Yes, before you can send mail from this Hostinger email using your Gmail account, please click the link below to confirm your request. Click this link. If this link is not clickable on your end, you can copy it like that, paste it here, and hit enter. It's the same thing. Now, please confirm sending email as your Hostinger email address. Click here to return to your Gmail account. Click this link. Now, it is important to click on this confirm button. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom.builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. To your Gmail account, click this link. Now, it is important to click on this confirm button. And as you see, the Gmail user may now send mail as backup at benstutorial.com. Now I will go back to Gmail, and now if I click on compose to write a message, I can see from this list that I can start using my hosting, or that I can start sending emails using my Hostinger email address. And if you want to make this the default one from those, simply click on settings, see all settings, accounts and import. Let's close this. And here next to your desired Hostinger email, click on make default, like that. I will make default on the original one. And this is how to start sending mails, and this is how to start sending email messages from Gmail using your Hostinger email address. Now let's see how to add your Hostinger email to Gmail to start receiving email messages sent to your Hostinger email directly in your Gmail inbox. How to do this? It's simple. Click on settings again, see all settings, go to accounts and import, and scroll down. This time we will not work on this part, which is send mail as. We will jump to check mail from other accounts. As you see here, I've already added my .com.builder domain, but in your case you will see, I think yes, I'm sure you will see any added mail here, email address here. Click on add a mail account. This window pops up. Here the same thing, paste the Hostinger email that you want to add, then click on next. Here you can either import email from your Hostinger email to your Gmail inbox, or link the accounts using Gmailify. With Gmailify, I will go with, I don't know this Gmailify option. I want to import emails from my other account using POP3 method. Click on next. Here the username is the same email address, so copy it from here, paste it, copy it from here and paste it here. For the password, same thing. If it's the password you've created while creating this email account Hostinger. If you don't remember it, simply reset your password from Hostinger. Now for the POP server, go back to the connect apps and devices, and here next to POP, copy this host name like that and paste it here. Same thing for the port 995, select it from here And here you can check this box, this option of leaving a copy of retrieved mails on the server. Yes. Always use a secure connection, SSL. Yes. When retrieving mail. Yes. Here you can also label incoming messages like that. Yes. You will see them here, labels. You can also archive incoming messages, which means skip the inbox. I don't want to skip the inbox. Now click on add account. And just like that, you will see your Hostinger email added here. They are now checking for mail that is from this Hostinger inbox. As you see, last checked 0 minutes ago and 24 mails fetched. Those 24 mails, if I log in to my Hostinger account, are those emails. As you see, there are 24 emails messages here. Now, this duration between checks, first, it will be a little bit slow. I think around an hour or something like that. And as you get more emails sent to your Hostinger email, Gmail will make this checks duration go down to 30 minutes, then 15 minutes, who knows. Why this is important? Sometimes you receive an email here on your Hostinger, but it does not appear here in your Gmail. So I recommend you to subscribe to services that send daily emails or multiple emails a day, and this way you will start receiving email messages on your Hostinger account, and Gmail will start checking more often during the day. And this is how to optimize this check-in duration on Gmail side. Now let's see, or yes, let's click on inbox. And as you see, the confirmation email I've clicked before was arrived to my Gmail. And this is how to connect Hostinger email to Gmail. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.